There are some core principles of the journalism which provide an excellent base for aspirants who are curious to know that how to use information effectively in journalism. The first obligation of journalism is to present truth and accuracy. Journalism is bound by the ordinary moral principle to dig out truth from lies. The journalist's knowledge and his or her report of the news must be true. What the journalist communicate is the information about real events and people. Most importantly, people trust only on reliable information rather than propaganda that help them to make a better decision in their life. For instance, people can make decision about whom to vote or what to purchase after access to reliable information. If what they read in a journalistic publication about the event is not true, then the readers are left in an unreal dream world. It is therefore extremely important that he does not report anything fake and takes every possible precaution to verify and make sure that what he knows and communicate is done truthfully. The second principle of journalism is clear and exact word. The word that the journalist uses to communicate must be clear and exact. In journalism, journalists express her information in words which are read and interpreted by her readers. If the words are unfamiliar to the reader, she will never be able to extract the meaning that the writer intended. The third principle is humanity. Journalism is a part of the humanitarian process. Knowledge and judgment that the journalist communicates and the action that he advocates must be good for readers. Journalistic publication is the cause of good and bad actions of peoples. So you must be aware of the words you use or picture you show can be harmful to the people. So the journalist must deliberately aim to produce only good effects among the reader. The fourth principle is timely. Journalism must be timely and concerned mostly with current events and news. It becomes useless or worthless if you delay in reporting of main events even by a few hours. Fifth principle of the journalism that it is a social activity. Journalism helps in shaping social perceptions and opinions. At the other hand, journalists communicate the feeling of the community through public surveys and interviews. So journalism should attempt to fairly represent different viewpoints and interests of the society and to place them in context rather than highlight only the conflicting fringe of debate. The sixth principle is independence. Journalism serves as an independent monitor of power. It is among the important field of human activities as it is pertinent with freedom of expression and speech within framework of the ethical values. It provides the platform which give voice to voiceless people. Therefore, its primary purpose is to make sure all citizens are aware of their rights. Journalism have been considered the fourth estate or called the watchdog of the society after the three estates in modern democracies are often mentioned to branches of a legislature, an executive and a judiciary. In modern time, social media has been projected to be the fifth estate where the work of journalist is analyzed. The seventh principle is that journalism is a broad and creative profession. Journalism deals with many fields of human activities and interest. Journalists as professionals both support and sustain the credibility of the decision-making system and maintain its function and enhance the story in a creative way. It presents simple and general news from a different perspective. But it is not an armchair profession. One has to move from one place to another for collecting information and truth. Now, a couple of obvious questions might have aroused in your mind. Why journalism? What is the need for journalism? What is the importance of journalism? Well, we usually go through the newspaper to know about the realities of the world. And there is no proper morning without reading a newspaper for some people who makes their habit to read the newspaper in their routine life. Let me ask you a general question. What do you do when you want to share a piece of information and express your views to others on some social issues like related to unemployment, girls' education, food adulteration, etc.? Maybe you would prefer face-to-face conversation or posting a message on the social media, writing blogs, which is very popular today. Or you may look up to publish content in the magazines, booklet, newspaper or folder. So what I intend to say is that journalism provides a platform where people freely express their ideas and opinion to the general public. Though there is a various purposes of journalism, the most important aspect is to the freedom of expression. India is a democratic country and journalism plays an important role in the democracy of our nation. It is a grassroots endeavor, meaning by the people, for the people. Journalism is a great social force. It not only disseminates information but also brings people together by breaking their isolation. It is considered as an intrinsic device invented by society for fulfilling a human desire to have access to information. Journalism acts as a channel between the authorities and people. Journalism, on the one hand, conveys information to the public about what is happening in society, whilst on the other hand, the policymaker also know the effect of their previous decisions and what the public expect of them through journalism. I had now like to move on to the next top point, that is function of journalism. Though journalism plays several roles, the major functions include to inform, to interpret, to guide, to build opinion and to entertain the audience. Let's discuss one by one. The primary function of journalism is to disseminate information, which is important in a democratic society for taking decisions impartially. Conveying information includes all reports, facts, and happenings related to day-to-day life rather than material involving for the sake of leisure and fun. The second function of the journalism is to interpret the events. The need for interpreting and explaining the news in our day and age is readily apparent. The public interests are so manifest that even the specialists become baffled in their field of knowledge. Today, presenting news is not merely an announcement of fact and theories, but reader or listener want clarification, contextual material, interpretation, and diagrams or visuals too. Good journalism always interpret the things, event and phenomena easily and explain the relationship between cause and effect of issues and provides related information. The third function is to guide the people. Since the beginning, journalism influences the behavior of human beings. It affects the mind of people through the printed words, cartoons, and pictures as they appear in the newspapers, magazines, pamphlets, and books, and through the spoken words over the air. The newspaper educates people by giving guidance on various issues through the editorial and column along with providing information. It helps the audience filter through the excess information. The fourth function is to build the opinion. Journalism is formulating and influencing the opinion of the people through feature, article, or column. The news is the raw material of opinion, and this opinion may be indicated without a word of a comment being uttered through how the news itself is announced, either prominently or inconspicuously. Admittedly, the newspaper struggled to persuade its readers through its article of opinion, its editorial, cartoon, and its signed column. Avowedly, the radio seeks to influence through its commentators, interviews, and many speakers who advocate varying point of view. For example, media was able to record and reflect responses, reactions, and angers of the public after Pulwama attack on February 14, 2019. Consequently, journalism has the power to divert the opinion of people in another direction, sometimes to negative and sometimes in a positive way. Similarly, during election time, election news or opinion polls, if reported regularly and frequently, that encourages and can affect the opinion of the public, also influence the vote percentage and swing. The fifth function of journalism is to entertain the people. Besides the above discussed roles, journalism also play an important role as an entertainer and evoke emotions and experience of people. Entertainment journalism is very popular today that focus on culture, lifestyle, entertainment products, fashion industries, and icons. It is like an electromagnet which captures the attention of readers and fascinates them. The newspaper and magazines appeal to the fun-loving public by playing up the amusing aspects of everyday life in human stories, by printing humorous anecdotes and stories, and by finding space for an increasing array of entertainment features like astrology, crossword puzzle, sports words, comic strips, etc. The sixth function of the journalism is to advertise. Journalism plays an important role in advertising products, messages, services, and facilities. Advertisements are commercially oriented to promote the sale of the goods, but sometimes can also have a public service message like family planning, childcare, healthcare, policies, and programs of government. Advertising also plays a significant role in the success of running mass media. All kinds of newspapers, magazines, publication depend on revenue through advertising. Advertisement not only supplies marketing information to the public but helps to corporate, industries and business person for changes within their areas too. Periodical supply of all type of news is the exciting task of journalism. It includes all reports, news and happenings related to daily life or regarding politics, foreign affairs, weather, accident, business, education, etc. The major responsibility of journalism is to make certain that the people shall know. This responsibility calls for complete objectivity in the news, include fairness and factuality. Reporting, writing, broadcasting, photographing, editing or casting are the various areas of work in journalism. Journalism is helpful to create public awareness by providing a wide range of information on key issues and aspects. Journalism shows the effect of the event which is very close to the people's everyday lives. Thus, journalism plays a major role in the development of the society as a whole. The world has turned into a global village thanks to the advancement and convergence of new media technologies that people are aware of what is going on.